Hey everyone, my name is Isaias Jacobi, also known as IJYoYo. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a Lightroom preset. So just released my new preset, go download it, go buy it. Anyways, how to download a Lightroom preset. So I'm going to guess that you guys have already downloaded your preset pack. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and find that preset pack. And if it's in a zip file, so let's go up here, and this is the zip file of my Lightroom preset on Mac, so I'm going to just export that real quick. Okay, so we have these XML files now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into Lightroom. We're in the library right now, and I'm going to go to Developer tab. I'm going to go on the side here, make sure this is open, go to Presets, and click this Add button right here. So click that, and then go all the way down into Import Presets, and then go to your designated folder. Go to the one that we just unzipped. Select all of them. You can do Command A or select all of them, and then import. And these should, so it shouldn't come up with this, but what it should do is just have the presets either down here in user presets. Make sure to look in user presets. That's a very common problem I see. Otherwise they're going to be with their own unique name, and then you can put them in a group. And this is the presets, my personal ones that I use. And yeah, so if you want to learn more about why you should use Lightroom presets, don't forget to check that video out. Otherwise, I just released my presets, like I said, and I hope you guys learned something from this video, and hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.